the TV is in standby mode, so the red light is flashing. Now I am turning on the TV. Look, the blue light has flashed, but after a while the red light is flashing again. It means the TV is going into safe mode. That is the problem with this TV. So stay with me for a while as I explain nicely how to solve it. Now again I connected the power to the TV. Then disconnect the LVDS cable from the scalar board. Then turn on the power button. The red light is no longer flashing and the backlight works fine. In this situation, it should be understood that a short circuit has occurred on the scalar board. So the short circuit has to be found out. VIN to ground 872 kilo ohms. V1 to ground 37 mega ohms. AVDD to ground 0.2 ohms. Hence, a short circuit is found in AVDD. Dear friends, since a short circuit is found in this AVDD circuit, so if we follow the circuit diagram of 5562A IC, then it will be convenient to find the short component. The circuit diagram link is in the video description. Anyway, AVDD is output from the drain of the MOSFET, and 3 filter capacitors are connected to the ground from this drain or AVDD. So a short circuit can happen here and those 3 capacitors are located here. So short circuit can exist here. Moreover, from pin 8 of this IC, the right side Vcom is output. Hence, from AVDD, a reference voltage is input to pin 7 of this IC, and from this AVDD, 2 filter capacitors are connected to the ground. So these capacitors can be shorted. Also, for the left side Vcom circuit, AVDD is taken to pin 7 of this IC, and 2 capacitors from this AVDD are also connected to the ground. So these capacitors also can be shorted. So first we check the right side capacitors. Here is 0.3 ohms. Now let's measure the left side's AVDD to the ground. There are 0 ohms here, so the short circuit must have occurred here. So now let's open one capacitor first, then see what happens. Okay, now let's measure. About 4 kilo ohms. That's mean no more short circuit in AVDD. Now connected 10 microfarad 50 volt capacitor here. Okay, now let's see what happens directly on the screen. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get more videos. Like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.